Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Rust crashing while loading into the server. So without further ado, let's get started. Super easy fix. You just need to go and search, right view, advanced system settings, click on that, then you need to be on advanced tab, go to settings, then go to advanced, and then go to virtual memory, change. Then make sure this option is deselected, go to custom size, and then on initial size, make it 14,000, and on maximum size make it 14,000 as well. Then make sure to select set, and then I misclicked set, and then press OK, apply, OK, restart computer, and then your issue should be solved. It should be no problem joining the server. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.